Hi guys! So may papanoorin tayo ngayon and I'm sure madaming walang alam din about this. So baka ikaw, wala ka ding alam and this time malalaman mo na.
This is Hyundai water. It's not alcohol, what you are thinking of. I've got many times misinformed by the title of Hyundai water. Some people told me that it is alcohol, but in reality, this is Hyundai water, guys. And now I'm gonna get a sip of it. Woo! Wow! Amazing. Look at this fresh Hyundai glacier water. And this is gonna be my first sip of local water. I've heard this water keeps local people young and beautiful, and this might be the secret how local community live more than 100 years. Let's try. Bismillah. Oh, it is amazing, by the way. The taste of mud, actually, I love eating mud. And with water, once it is mixed, it's amazing. Mazadar. So guys, come to Hunza to try Hyundai water. This is Hyundai water. It's not alcohol, what you are thinking of.
Ay guys, nakita nyo yun? Hyundai water is actually one of the miracle water around the world na pinagmula ng Kangen water. Ako natawa lang ako dun sa part na I love eating mud daw. Gusto niya daw na gusto niya daw yung putik. Anyway, the point is, yung mga umiinom ng tubig na actually miracle water siya. Isa siya sa mga miracle water around the world. Kasama niya yung Lourdes, France. Narinig niyo yun na ang mga tao na umiinom ng Hyundai water is live longer daw, 100 plus years old. Diba? Kasi ito yung dahilan nito. So actually, it's Honza water. So its primarily refers to two things. The natural mineral-rich glacial water consumed by the people of the remote Honza Valley in Pakistan. Honza water, guys, is actually melted water flow down from the mountains like miracle waters din sa mga ibang lugar. It has unique mineral contents and giving it cloudy, grayish appearance. It contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and silicon. It's highly alkaline. So it has longevity association. So ang mga tao doon na umiinom na local is umaabot 100 plus years old, guys. So it's miracle water. It's healthy and it's highly alkaline. So guys, Hyundai water is one of miracle waters around the world. At yan ang pinagmulan ng Kangen water natin, ng Kangen machine. So actually, in 20 years research, na find out ng Japanese scientists na yun nga yung mga properties niya. And they replicate the miracle water through electrolysis. So yun na po yung Kangen machine natin. Kung ano yung mga properties na meron ang mga miracle water, like this Hyundai water, nandyan na sa Kangen water na ginagawa ng ating Kangen machine. So, I hope makatry ka din ng Kangen water or miracle water kasi the best yung water na matitikman mo ever. So, message mo ako for your free water and for your free demonstration about water and para matest din natin ang tubig na meron ka at mga tubig na meron sa market na akala mo safe. So follow for more kasi you deserve the best water around the world. Change your water, change your life. Let me assist you to acquire your very own Kangen para available na mismo ang miracle water dyan sa lababo mo. Bye!